station eh. Dahil sa tindi ng sapak eh. We are on our way to De La Salle Araneta! Makaka-receive kami ng award Most Outstanding FM Radio Station! Thank you! Let's go!
Love Radio Manila.
Kailangan ba bang i-memorize yan? Yan o ka!
Ang galing nito ngayon.
Hey!
Alam niyo, super blessed namin kasi yung boss namin, kapag ganito na meron kaming award, he allows us to have a celebratory dinner, merienda, or kung ano man ang trip namin. So dahil nanalo kami ng Most Outstanding FM radio station, our first award for the year, here we are!